Who has mixed their color?
And feel how it's bouncy?
Going twice! Sold for 2!
Today we have our TechHERS event where we are showing little girls how to be more interested in science and math again.
So Chevron is happy to be the title sponsor, and we believe in empowering women and girls into fields of STEM.
I want to be an astrophysicist. I want to be a veterinarian, chemist, or a police officer.
We want everyone to have all the opportunities to work and make a difference in the world and create new solutions for old problems.
They came in today and we had a panel of 5 people that are actually in the STEM field that are women.
Why more women should get into it is because we need all types of thought processes, mindsets, and perspectives.
If this is something that you're passionate about, why not get into it? It doesn't matter who else is in the role, who else is in the field, and it's also kind of fun to say, well, look at me, I can do it too.
When you come here, it's like nervous because there's so much people, you know, but then you have fun while you go into your different classes. We're learning about all kinds of things like engineering and cooking and biology. It's a good opportunity and help you figure out stuff you really like.
It can show you how cool science and math is, and it can show you that no one should hold you back.
Chase your dreams.